How to scan QR code on Discord mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture at the bottom right. And once you are here, from the first section, click on scan QR code. And you will get to this page right here, in which you will be able to scan any QR code depending on your needs to use it for whatever you want. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can scan QR code on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.